Hi, welcome to my video on the constant multiple rule number 3. More examples. Find d dx of each. That's d dx is the derivative. So we could go, let's find the derivative. So let's go y prime. Y prime is the derivative. So this is the constant rule is c is a constant. So we could go 2 bracket ln x cos x, and that's the constant outside on the derivative. This is the constant rule, so the 2 can stay outside and do the derivative of these two expressions here. So this is f and this is g because it's a product rule. So the derivative of f times g derivative is the derivative of f times g plus f times the derivative of g. So let 2 stay there, and we'll do the derivative. So it's take f and do the derivative. So the ln of x derivative is 1 over x times g is cos x, plus f is ln x times the derivative of g, derivative of cos x is negative sin x. So that's 2, and you can't simplify, so this is, could say it's cos x over x, and this is an angle, the cos of an angle, you can't cancel this x, and this is, that's a positive times a negative is a negative, so let's make this a negative, and we have ln x sin x. So this is a product rule here, but the constant goes outside. And if you want to multiply the 2 by these 2 in here, or leave the 2 out here. Number 2, again, the derivative of this expression, the negative 3 is a constant, so we can take that's a 6. We can take the negative 3, move it outside, and do the derivative of this product. And again, the product is f, the product of f times g is derivative of f times g plus f times derivative of g. So that's f and that's g. So that's negative 3 bracket. The derivative of f is 4x cubed. And the derivative, it's derivative of f times g, which is 6x. And product rule is a plus. So it's an f. So there's the f, which is x to the 4th, times the derivative of g. So the derivative of 6x is 6x ln 6. And we can't multiply these together because they're not like terms. You can't multiply these together because they're not like terms. So this is the answer. They can't be simplified. And right here, another one with a product. Again, the derivative of this is prime. Now I could do d dx here without the prime, same thing. So it's 2/3 is the constant. So it's x cubed e to the x derivative. So we take the constant, move it outside, and now we're going to do the derivative of this product rule. Again, this is f and that's g. So we got 2/3 times, and we got the derivative of f. Again, I'll just write that down again. F times g, derivative of f times g is the derivative of f times g plus f times the derivative of g. Always practice it, keep it in your mind. So the derivative of f is x cubed squared times g, which is e to the x. Add on, it's f, which is x cubed, and the derivative of g is e to the x, so the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. And again, these are not like terms, so they can't, but you can't add these because that's a square and that's a cube. So you could, if you wanted to, take out you could take out x squared, and you could factor out e to the x if you wanted to. So there's 2/3. So x squared coming out of here, and x squared e to the x, you have a 3, plus you take x squared, x cubed divided by x squared is x, and e to the x divided by e to the x. So if you want to simplify this expression, there's a common factor of x squared e to the x in both of these terms. So divide this expression into this one here, and you get 3, and divide this expression into this one, you get an x. And so that's the final answer. But I just wanted to do the derivative of the constant rule, but I had to do a product rule within that. It keeps it good examples. And again, that's the end of my video. If you like my video, click the like button, click the subscribe button, visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained. Just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.